1974 Porsche 914 2.0 LE Can-Am Creamsicle Roadster. Price: $36,500. Location: Idaho. The 1974 Porsche 914 2.0 LE Can-Am Creamsicle Roadster is one of the rarest and most collectible special edition Porsches ever built. Produced in limited numbers, this iconic sports car is instantly recognizable thanks to its factory-correct two-tone, light ivory and phoenix red paint scheme. Nicknamed the Creamsicle by enthusiasts, this exclusive edition has become a true legend among classic Porsche collectors. If you're passionate about rare air-cooled sports cars, this is a machine that deserves your full attention. The heart of this special edition is its matching numbers. 2.0-litre flat-4 engine paired with a highly desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Included with the car is a digital copy of the official Porsche production specifications, providing documentation that confirms its originality. The car also features 4-wheel disc brakes, VDO gauges, a 4-spoke steering wheel, a removable Targa roof, and a classic single exhaust system. Every detail reflects Porsche's dedication to creating a lightweight sports car that delivers an engaging driving experience. The exterior continues to impress with its authentic Can-Am limited edition equipment: Hella taillights, dual side mirrors, a fender-mounted antenna, period-correct trim, and Summit tires complete the vintage appearance. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully preserved brown interior, equipped with a center console, an analog clock, padded armrests, and even a vintage Toshiba stereo. Together, these details transport you straight back to the golden era of 1970s sports cars. Although this Porsche is currently a non-running project vehicle, it represents an incredible restoration opportunity. Rare matching numbers examples like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially those that retain their factory documentation and original limited edition identity. For collectors and restoration enthusiasts, bringing this creamsicle back to showroom condition could be both a rewarding project and a valuable long-term investment. The Porsche 914 has often lived in the shadow of the legendary 911, but collectors are finally recognizing its importance in Porsche history. Limited editions such as the Can-Am Creamsicle continue to rise in popularity because of their rarity, distinctive styling, and historical significance. As more enthusiasts search for unique vintage Porsches, exceptional examples like this become even more desirable. The 1974 Porsche 914 2.0 LE Can-Am Creamsicle Roadster offered here in Idaho is more than just a classic sports car, it's a genuine piece of Porsche heritage waiting for its next chapter. Priced at just $36,500, this rare survivor offers an exciting opportunity for anyone dreaming of owning a limited edition Porsche that stands apart from the crowd.